we have had a very good policy framework now for Atmanirbhar Bharat and the PLI, which Dixon was one of the first companies to get that. Uh, are there what more could be done by the government to meet the challenges like alternative China plus alternative is Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia is going strong, and Malaysia is doing a lot of manufacturing. So to emerge over and above them and become the truly China plus one alternative.
So I think, the biggest thing the government can do is just give that confidence to the investors that, look, we are with you. We believe in the Make in India story. You go ahead. We are going to be there with you. We're going to honor the commitments that have been given. We're going to be making sure that the kind of commitment that has been there, seen in the last 10 years, is going to grow even stronger. So I think government just has to give that confidence to the existing investors and to the potential investors. And once that happens, the industrialists, the entrepreneurs have to do their job. They need to ensure that we keep investing in scale. We become world leaders as far as the scale is concerned. We need to continue to invest in backward integration, invest in the design, and of course, invest in technology and digital transformation, right? So these are the things that we have to do. But as far as the government is concerned, I think they've done their job. They just need to ensure that the commitments that have been given continue to get honored and they give that confidence to the investors.